Hello valued customers, thank you for choosing Dreame. In this video, we will show you how to use the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 robot vacuum properly. First, let's open the box and take out all the accessories. Preparation. Remove the protective film from the base station and choose an open area with good Wi-Fi signal to install the base station. Ensure that there are no ground objects within 1.5 meters in front of the base station and 0.5 meters on both sides. Connect the power cord. A solid-on light on the base station indicator indicates a successful connection. To avoid water damage to your carpet or solid wood floor, it is recommended to install the base station on a tile or masonry floor. Remove the protective film from the top cover, the sensors, and the camera, and pull out the robot protective strips. Please ensure that all protective film is removed before use to avoid interference and operational issues. Long press the power button on the robot for 3 seconds to start the robot. Install the side brush.
Mop pads installed.
Take out the water tank, add an appropriate amount of clean water. Note that detergent should not be added into water tank on this model, otherwise the internal structure will be damaged. In order to achieve a better mopping effect, it is recommended to remove the mop pads and wet them with water before starting the mopping task. Wring them out and reattach them to the mop pad holders, make sure they are attached flat in place. Install the water tank and mop pads back on the robot properly, dock the robot.
Start charging.
A voice prompt confirms connection and charging started. Connect to app. Take out the robot and open the flip cover. Scan the QR code on the robot, or search DreameHome in the App Store or Google Play Store to download the app. Open the DreameHome app. If you are using the app for the first time, click Sign Up Now. You can use your cell phone number or email to register. Please enter the cell phone number, email and click Get Code. Enter the verification code sent to you by Dreame. Set password for your account. In the subsequent login, you can choose to use the phone number login, Dreame ID login, or the third-party login at the bottom of the page. After logging in, please add your robot to the device list. Open the flip cover, scan the QR code on the robot. Or you can click Add on the homepage to manually add a device from the model list. Follow the app guide to connect to Wi-Fi. Please note that the Wi-Fi mode must be 2.4 GHz or including 2.4 GHz. On web page interface. On app interface. You could also use 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi, which contains 2.4 GHz. For other brands router, please refer to the instructions on user manual or app to configure the 2.4 GHz or 2.4 GHz per 5 GHz mixed Wi-Fi. Enter the name and password of the Wi-Fi you want the robot to connect to. Follow the guidance on the app and make sure the robot is powered on. Tick the checkbox, then click Next. Press and hold the power button and dock button simultaneously for 3 seconds, and when you hear the voice prompt, tick the checkbox and click Next.
Waiting for the network configuration.
Click the button and join the Dreame Vacuum hotspot on the pop-up window. If you can't join the hotspot in the previous step, please open the Wi-Fi list and manually search for the hotspot Dreame Vacuum and connect to it, then return to app interface following the voice instruction. Keep the robot and phone as close to the router as possible, wait for the robot to successfully connect to the network and verify the connection result. After successfully connecting to the Wi-Fi indicator light on the robot will be solid on. After connecting, click Me at the bottom right, and then Settings at the top right. Check About and check whether the app version is updated to the latest. First time use Map Settings. Go back to the home page and click Go to the device page. Tap the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter Settings, Device Settings, enter Voice and Volume. You can switch the language and adjust the volume. Before mapping for the first time, please tidy up the surrounding area, clear clutter, remove loose or fragile items. Please make sure the robot starts and returns to the base station during its first mapping process. Please do not move the robot or base station during this process to avoid mapping failures. Click Map Management in the lower left corner. and then click Create Map to start mapping. You can choose Fast Mapping or Start Cleanup to build a map. In Fast Mapping mode, the robot will quickly scan the house environment to generate a map. For Start Cleanup, the robot will start cleaning directly and build a map during the cleaning process. If you have multiple floors in your home, open Multi-Floors Map to create and save a map of up to 3 floors. When you are finished mapping, click on the map to edit, partition or merge the maps. Return to the main screen of the map, click No-Go Zone. You can edit the No-Go Zone and Virtual Wall. First time use, Cleaning Settings. Go back to the home page and click on Clean Settings. You can set the cleaning mode, suction power and water volume. Please note that for sweeping mopping mode and mopping mode, the water tank and mop must be installed, and for sweeping mode, the water tank and mop must be removed. You can also set personalized suction and water volume for each area by clicking Customize Room Cleaning. If the auto-generated cleaning sequence doesn't meet your needs, customize it by clicking Cleaning Sequence. For mopping, you could select different mopping patterns. In Deep Mopping Pattern, the robot mops the floor in a dense Z-shaped pattern to improve mopping performance. Note that there is a risk of skidding in this mode. Go back to the home page, click into the Auto Empty settings and select to turn on Automatic Dust Collection. When the robot finishes cleaning and returns to the base station, it will collect dust automatically. You can also customize the dust collection frequency. Go back to the home page, click on the ellipsis icon in the upper right corner to enter the settings. Enter the device settings. You can turn on the carpet boost, child lock, resume cleaning mode and do not disturb mode. After turning on the carpet boost, the robot will turn on the maximum suction power in the carpeted area. After turning on the resume cleaning mode, the robot will automatically recharge when power is insufficient during cleaning, and then continue to clean the uncleaned area after charging to the appropriate power level. Go to Accessory Usage menu. You will see the lifespan of each accessory. Please replace new one before it get expired to ensure the robot works properly. Back to the settings, you can also control the robot through the remote control. These are the instructions for the first time use of Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2.